Something else that looks good, Steve Buden and the Financial Focus, including the jobs report.
Yes.
Good jobs report.
Good jobs report. This could be the final straw in the Fed deciding what they want to do with interest rates. You know, it's funny, I was reading over the weekend, the last time the Fed raised interest rates, there wasn't even an iPhone out on the market yet.
Wow.
That's how long it's been. So the common consensus is that they're going to raise sometime the third week of December. We'll report on it. So anybody who has credit cards, auto loans, mortgages, you may see interest rates begin to tick up a little bit. What's interesting, though, is that's usually short-term interest rates. On the long end of the bond market, 10-year bond, 30-year bond is not really going up that much. So the bond market is saying the economy's not as good as the Fed may think it is before they raise interest rates. So over the next couple of weeks, you'll have this battle, and it'll be interesting to see who wins that at the end of the day.
And certainly bittersweet with that good jobs report, but then interest rates going up. All right, something else we want to talk about, oil at a 6.5-year low, which is good for drivers, right? Good for
drivers. Can't argue. You know, I was driving to work this morning and I saw regular for as low as $2.29 a gallon. Don't be surprised if you see gas prices come down even further. Right now it's about $38, $39 a barrel. OPEC, the big oil cartel, met over the weekend and they couldn't agree on reducing production. As the supply of oil goes up, the price comes down. So famous last words, we don't see this changing anytime soon. But right now, under 40 bucks, 6.5-year low.
Well, we can certainly agree that if you're driving for the holiday season, that is good news.
Yes, it is.
All right, and then unfortunately, some bad news. Stocks down this year, and we've got the big board up right now, the stock exchange down right now.
I bring this one up just when you get your 401k statements, your IRA statements, and the year's not over yet, but we're close enough. There's only about 3 weeks left. The stock market, depending on which index we follow, is anywhere from even to down 8%. Again, not the end of the world, but don't be surprised if you get your investment statements and they go up a little, go down a little bit. But things just don't go up every year.
Sure. And then Steve told me just cross your fingers for next year. That's the advice?
That's right. For now. Yeah.
Of course. All right, Steve, good to see you.
Sure.
Thanks for being here. We'll see you next week for Financial Focus. Dana?